Shelly Obrojay, good evening. Good to have you on the show. Before I start the debate, I just quickly wanted a little information because it's a fine print that I couldn't locate in the public domain. So I decided that it was best to ask you. Can you help me understand whether the scheme that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has announced today, the one that benefits everyone who's above the age of 60 years, whether this is for everyone in Delhi irrespective of their income bracket, or is it for people whose family income is less than 5 lakh or 8 lakh? Could you just shed some light on that first?
See, since the inception of Aam Aadmi Party in last 10 years, Aam Aadmi Party promised free bees. So Aam Aadmi Party did fulfill all the promises. They provided free electricity, provided free water, free education, free hospital care, mohalla clinics, free bus ride, Tirth Yatra for elderly people, then 1,000 rupees for every woman of Delhi, which was later on increased to 2,100. But today, Arvind Kejriwal ji announced a scheme that is the Sanjeevani Yojana, and this scheme is applicable for 60 plus people. Every person who is 60 plus is eligible for this scheme, and free treatment would be provided to every person who is 60 above, irrespective of the income group. It means the scheme is provided to even poor people as well as the rich class people, and there is no upper limit for the treatment. Delhi government will bear all the cost, and also the scheme is a very transformative initiative for Delhi people, and we are so proud to announce the scheme. And let me tell you, Delhi government has spent approximately 13% of the Delhi budget always in the healthcare.
Okay, Shelly, so I needed that. I needed that detail, and I'm glad you give it to me, because you are telling me that anyone above the age of 60 in the national capital, irrespective of how much money you have in the bank account, can walk into any hospital, government or private, and can avail treatment, and there is no upper limit to that treatment. Therefore, Dr. Anil Gupta, spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, this is one of the most generous healthcare schemes that is being announced by any government in any part of this country. Why should the BJP have an objective to it? After all, I know you keep saying कि आप वालों को देखो, आयुष्मान भारत को नहीं लगाते, Delhi people are not benefiting, but here Delhi people benefit because your scheme has an upper limit of 5 lakh rupees for treatment of anyone above the age of 70. Their scheme has reduced the age to 60, anyone above 60, and they have no upper limit. So theirs is a better scheme. Why insist कि आम आदमी पार्टी अभी आयुष्मान भारत लगाए?
Yeah, Shreyaji, good evening to you and all the viewers. You know, announcing something and implementing something is two different things. Kejriwal ji himself told that he is a magician and he creates illusion. But in actual terms, he delivers nothing. You know, before the Lok Sabha election, I was in debate with you. He announced to give rupees 1,000 to the women of Delhi. What happened? Even today, not even a single penny has been given to the women of Delhi. Now he has increased to 2,100. What will happen in future? Nothing new. You know, the Delhi government is in deficit. You know, for last 10 years, he is not able to construct even a new single hospitals, new hospitals. These 6 hospitals are in need of major redevelopment. There is a budget pending. Not even a single penny has been given for redevelopment of these 2. On the other hand, under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, we have delivered the Ayushman Yojana, wherein actually 7 crores people have been benefit, 36 crores have been enrolled, and they are getting benefit. So that is the actual thing. And they talked of the free electricity. If you talk to 20 lakhs shopkeepers and the industries of Delhi, they are paying electricity at the rate of rupees 18 to 22 per unit. Delhi has the highest tariff of commercial and industrial tariff in Delhi. That is on record. Even in the water, they say claim to the free. You know, 25 lakhs people are suffering from the waterborne disease. The dirty water they are supplying. So announcing and delivering are two different things.
Dr. Gupta,
as a magician, he can. Yes.
Okay. अच्छा नहीं डॉक्टर गुप्ता, देयर आर टू थिंग्स. यू टॉक अबाउट डेफिसिट, तो वो फिस्कल डेफिसिट अगर दिल्ली में है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 35 years, वो तो महाराष्ट्र में 2.6% of the GDP, but they announced the Ladki Behan Yojana, and they won the election also because of that. So if the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to replicate and copy what the BJP did in Maharashtra, imitation is the best form of flattery. आपको तो खुश होना चाहिए, ये देखो ये लोग हमको देख के कुछ नया चीज अनाउंस कर रहे हैं. But Dr. Gupta, I'm asking you a simple question. Given the fact that on paper, the Delhi government scheme is better than the central government scheme as far as senior citizens are concerned. इसमें तो BJP should say अच्छी बात है. Let's just stick with this because after all, you are also accountable to the people of Delhi.
See, Kejriwal ji is free to announce anything. He himself told that he's a magician. He created illusion. But what in actual on the Dharatal? Nothing is delivered. This is what I'm trying to explain.
नहीं बिल्कुल.
Okay. You take your camera to any hospital. You take your camera to any hospital. There are the long queues. You don't get ultrasound for 1 month. This is the way. You get fake medicine there. You even sometimes you don't get any medicine. You take your camera to any hospitals. Why there was no redevelopment of 6 hospitals that is pending before the fund? Why there is no? He claimed 10 years before that new hospital will be constructed. What happened? Not even a single hospital. So it is an illusion. If citizens of Delhi are not living in illusion, they are living in the actual. So they are now aware what fake promises Kejriwal ji is making. Yes.